Hello everyone, welcome to our Interior channel. Earlier this year, Jeep has confirmed that the Cherokee model was cancelled and the next 6th generation or its replacement is expected within the next few years. But what if Stellantis decides to make some facelift while the new vehicle is in the works? How the restyled 5th generation could look like? We illustrated the exterior and interior. Please take a look and let us know if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next videos.